Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delightful and easy chai in a slow cooker. Here are the list of ingredients you will need. Feel free to pause the video. To start out, I am going to fill 2 tea balls with some plain black loose leaf tea. If you are using tea bags, you can skip this step. We are going to be using more tea than normal because we will be steeping the tea in milk, which doesn't brew with either the same speed or the same intensity as water. Next, we will add our tea balls and 4 cups of milk together in a slow cooker set to high heat. We are going to let it warm up while we prep the spice blend. We are going to use 1 teaspoon each of cinnamon and ginger and half a teaspoon each of cardamom and ground cloves. Once you get comfortable making chai, feel free to mess around with the spices. They are completely customizable. Personally, I tend to like a fairly gingery chai. Once the milk has warmed up a bit, add the spices in. And stir. Don't worry if they are a bit clumpy, as they will simmer in the milk and spread out. Allow the slow cooker to continue to heat the mixture until the milk takes on a nice tan beige color. This is an indication that the tea and spices have steeped into the milk. The time will depend on your slow cooker and the size of batch you are doing. Mine took about an hour. Once you have made it to a nice color, remove your tea vessels from the chai. Next, add in a cup of sugar and stir until fully dissolved. A pro tip is to use a strainer to remove the film of leftover spices on top of the tea. And just like that, it's ready to serve. You have just made a tasty pot of slow cooker chai, perfect for any occasion. Cheers! Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blog.